Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. My name is Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how to create 20 different noses for even more expressions that are cute and easy. All you're going to need is some paper and a pencil, or whatever it is that you want to doodle. Let's doodle, guys. Okay, so I am back. I am back with another kawaii face tutorial. I really struggle with noses, and if you do, then this is a good place for you to be, because I'm going to give you a bunch of different nose options for your characters. Now, I will say, the first one you may hate me for, but it's nothing. I know with mouths, I didn't do a nothing for a mouth, but sometimes the nose, I swear, I'm not good at them. I don't get them, and they don't work for me. Sometimes it is just easier to leave the nose out, and I believe that so much that I'm leaving nothing on this one. Nobody, no nose. He doesn't get anything. We're gonna move on to the next one. This one's easy. This one works really well for like a bear. It's really good, and it's just a little oval on the side. It also works good for humans. It's going to be weird making noses on these bees, but it is what it is. This one, okay, you know what? This one can actually be done two different ways. So it's like I'm still giving you 20 different ones. So let's, you know what? Yeah. Let's not cheapen out. We'll go back to the first one and I'll show you the different way to do it. So it's the same. You do the small oval and then you intersect with another one. Okay? There you go. The next one here is the same small oval, but you do the little intersection on the top. Super big. It's just meant to be small. Okay? Good for a human, good for a cat, kind of a thing. Here, I like to call this one like the thermometer. So, I don't know why I give them weird names. You draw a circle and then a long line. See, it's a thermometer. That's why I call it a thermometer, I guess. Anyway, moving on. The next one, I don't know what I would call this one. Kind of like a top hat, I guess. It is an oval as well, but it is a long oval. Like that. And then I do like a little square top. So again, this one's good for people, but it's also good for like, sometimes I'll use it on like a bear or a bunny. Just because it's, I don't know, it's weird, but it is what it is. Noses are weird. Okay, another one, we're going to do an oval, but we're going to have it kind of slightly sticking up. And then you're going to draw a rounded triangle, like that. Done. It's almost like a backwards check mark. Chunky. Next, easy, a rounded square. Okay. This one, you're going to do an arch that's got a, like, that's high, and then just a little, just to join it with a little curve. Next, we are going to do another kind of oval. Fill it in. I don't know why I didn't just drop it. Then we're going to do like the nostrils on either side. So you're going to go like that and like that. It's a cute like dog nose or people nose. Next, this one's funny. I call this one the Kevin Bacon, and I love Kevin Bacon. I'm not making fun of him, but whenever he's drawn, this is kind of what his nose always looks like. So 2 dots for the nostrils, and there you go. Cute little picky nose. Okay, next. Now we're going to do like the shape of the nose, but we're not going to fill it in. So it's a circle, or a half circle, sorry, for each side, and then it's joined. And you can make that as big or as little as you want. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to fill it in. So semicircle, an arch, and then you're just going to do an arch like that up top. Okay? And I'm not going to do it. I'll drop it. Fill it in. This one is going to be literally just a big circle. Well, oval. I love this. I think that's really cute, especially with small eyes. And then we're going to do the same. Another big one with some nostrils. Similar to the smaller one with nostrils, but this one is huge. This one is also good for like a duck. It seems weird, but it's like that's the beak of a duck. Ooh. We went like this. You could almost put the mouth in it, and this is more for like a bird. So instead of that, you could also go like this to put like the little birdie. Okay. Then next, this one, it's like a little tiny one. Doop doop. Like a little bitty baby nose. Just an upside down T. This one, just a line. And what you can do too is you can do what I did and have it go up slightly, but you can also have it be like a little circle. I don't know why I keep calling them circle. A little arch down, do a little arch up, etc. These ones, though, you definitely, if you're going to do something like this, you want to have some kind of a mouth so that people can differentiate from the two. Just going to do a little nose. Next, we're going to do a capital T, which just means a bigger T. A lot of times with the noses, you can take all of these basic shapes and you can exaggerate them a little bit more to make something different. So in this case, I just took the edges and I just kind of rounded them up. Okay. Next, this is my witch nose. So I'm just going to create like a big, chunky, kind of tear shape. I'm going to put a wart on it. Okay, I love that. That's cute. I love a nose with a wart. I wish I could. I'm sorry. It looks like you need rhinoplasty surgery here. My gosh. It's bad enough I'm giving bees noses, but they could at least be nice noses. Yeah, little wart on it. I think that's really cute. Okay. This one, I guess, is kind of like the snowman. It's almost a flat surface here, and then you round it out. Kind of like a snowman. Again, this is one though that you want to make sure that you have a mouth as well. Sometimes noses can look like mouths. So you want to be careful with that. And then finally, we're going to do an oval. And we're going to do a triangle. But when I say triangle, I guess it's more of a rectangle. You're not going to see like where the points meet. I don't know why my thing keeps on doing that. Okay. I don't like that. Doot, doot, doot. Boop. Done. It almost looks like an upside down keyhole. I also don't like that it went thicker there. If anything, it would go thinner. But, I mean, you can change that too. It doesn't have to be like that, right? So there you go. I think that's it. Yeah, 20. 20 noses. Technically, I will say 21 because one is still blank, but I did do another one. So that's it, guys. So those are the noses. I think they're really cute. You know what? This one actually looks cute as a mouse. A mouth even. Put a nose there, see what I mean? Again, that might be one that you want to put a smile on or something. Because sometimes noses can look like mouths. That's something I just learned today. The best thing about noses, too, that I find is there's nothing better than being able to like put an accessory on it. And by accessory, what I mean is a mustache. So easy as pie mustaches are pretty, I mean, this looks rough, but that's pretty much it. That'll get you a mustache. Close enough anyway. It's really cute, and I love the look of a mustache on a distinguished little bee. So that's it, guys. That is the video for today. Our kind of quick rundown of different noses. I do have another part planned. It's essentially going to be taking everything that we've learned, putting it together, and creating some unique faces. And we can kind of work through that together as well in the next one. So I, thank you again for watching. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. You have no idea. I've been really surprised by how many people I have following me. It may not seem like a lot to some, but to me, it really does mean the world. yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you found the video helpful. Please leave me a comment if there's anything that you would like to see in a future video, or just, let me know something about yourself. I would love to know more about you in the comment section below. I do enjoy reading all of your comments, especially when they're kind. As always, everyone, until next time, keep doodling. Bye!